That is a way to start off a vlog. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today we are here at ADK Supercars at Sunset. Pretty sick right here. This is a 570, but the paint, depending on what angle you look at it changes. Right here we have a Maserati MC20. I've only seen these maybe once in person, but these are pretty. Well, this color though is really nice. Oh man. Okay, anyway, so moving on. There are many other cars here that we have to check out. We have an Aventador Huracán. We have a Lotus Emira. These are pretty cool. RS6 right here, but it's not just any RS6. Look at the wheels on this thing. It's so huge, but they're like what? Like a pink? It goes well with the spec, I'm not gonna lie. That's twin turbo Gallardo, done by UGR. Thing is pretty sick. This thing comes out to all the shows. There is an Aventador. This right here is a one-of-one car, literally in the country, when it comes to a modified Corvette. A C8 Zeos. No, actually, is a C8 E-Ray, but this just isn't any C8 E-Ray. This is actually Ike Automotive C8 E-Ray, which is supercharged, pushing almost 1,000 horsepower. Funny enough, he did throw on a Z06 exhaust just to fool people, but this is an E-Ray, and this is crazy. This thing sounds crazy, and it is crazy. Kind of like this Ford GT. I hear Ferrari. Look at this, STO. Wow. In the Panda spec. I've never seen an STO in real life. Look how crazy looking this thing is. With these wheels and this like little shark thing going down.
What's that cruise me?
Alright, so apparently this is a, what, 1,700 horsepower twin turbo STO that is all-wheel drive converted and has the capability to smoke a...
You'll see when you launch it. It teleports, really.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's in the dome.
Gone. That's insane.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah?
That's the dream right there. RS6 Avant.
Yeah?
Is that Turbo Trouble? How you doing?
How you doing?
Young guy, we're still the best car.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. This is insane. Look at this lineup.
Yeah, it's like a
Thumbnail.
whole police car though.
Oh my. Wow. That is insane. Followed by the Ford GT, followed by the Viper. Gosh. You hear that? Oh my god. I'm not usually a candidate for like yellow calipers, but I think with this shade of purple, it does work out, especially if you look at the stitching. The stitching kind of has a blue in it, yellow seat belts, and it's a manual with the fire hydrant. It's just crazy, but it is pretty. Golly. That is insane, dog. Whoa. You hear the turbo spool on that? You know, I really think I'm like a nobody, and then I realize how many people like say hi to me, and it's like, holy smokes. Like, a lot of people, at least locally, know of Turbo Trouble, which is really cool to me. And now it's back to getting these cars exiting the show. This is gonna be insane because I know they're gonna be flying now. Everyone's all hyped up from the fireworks. Let's go. C8's about to do his thing. Let's go.
C8 corner
See what the MC20 is about to do.
Yo, rip it!
That's the Escalade V. Holy smokes. Got the Cobra. That's pretty cool. It's a Bronco. Wow, RS3. What a night.